Imagine automating your worst tasks and getting paid for the rest. Welcome to Cash with AI, your shortcut to smarter work and real income. First, the problem: repetitive tasks eat your day and your margin. Data entry, customer replies, content drafts, research, all time sinks. Now, the tool: AI automations like chat assistants, transcription, script generators, workflow bots. Handle those tasks fast. Use an AI to draft emails, summarize meetings, create product descriptions, spin up marketing ideas in seconds. Outcome: that saves hours every week. Hours you can bill, hours you can build, hours you can scale. Freelancers increase productivity. Solopreneurs launch more offers. Online workers reinvest time into higher value work. Concrete wins: turn a 4-hour task into 30 minutes. Double client capacity: create and sell AI-generated product templates. Small wins turn into steady income. Quick tips: pick one repetitive task, test an AI tool for a week, measure time saved, reinvest that time into revenue-generating work. Want more step-by-step AI tools and money-making workflows? Subscribe to Cash with AI for more AI tools, automation tips, and money-making ideas.